The dead load materials. Interactive calculator determines structural loading from material weights for various construction elements. This calculator has 6 modes in the calculation mode dropdown: rectangular slab beam dead load, wall dead load, and composite layer stack. Distributed load from material, total load from volume and density, and point load from material mass. For this demonstration, I'll use rectangular slab beam dead load mode. The input fields for this mode are length in meters, width in meters, thickness in meters, and material density in kilograms per cubic meter. Let's calculate a concrete slab with length equals 6.0 meters, width equals 4.5 meters, and thickness equals 0.20 meters, and material density equals 2,400 kilograms per cubic meter. After clicking Calculate, the results show volume equals 5.4 cubic meters, which is length times width times thickness. Total mass equals 2960 kilograms, calculated from volume times density. Total dead load equals 127.14 kilonewtons, converted from the mass using gravity. The distributed load equals 4.709 kilonewtons per square meter, which is the total load divided by the area. The additional results show area equals 27 square meters. These values help engineers verify dead loads meet design specifications. Find the link in the description below.